mates of soul. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. There are 2 restarts. The first one will be on wall 2 after 32 counts, and it will be facing 12 o'clock. So it will be on this section after the 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you're going to have to add an extra end count fit together to start again the dance with and 1, 2, 3. The second restart will be on the 6th wall after 16 counts and facing 6 o'clock. It will be on this section 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Removing the end count to start straight away with the 1, 2, 3.